Hi, today we're going to review Acne Studios email marketing strategies, and we're going to review the 5 main strategies that they're using in their email marketing. And it's mainly related to merchandising and product management. We're going to take a look at 1. How do they launch new collections? 2. How do they promote personalized products? 3. How much new products or ranges they're featuring? How they're announcing collaborations and capsule collections. And finally, we're going to take a look at how do they manage big marketing events like Christmas, for example. All right. So subscribe to the channel if it's not done already. We're sharing brand and industries analysis every week. All right, let's go. To do this analysis, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a platform called Panoramata. All right. Which actually allows you to monitor competitors super easily and find marketing inspiration just like that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to look at Acne Studios page here. Here I go. And all right, so I have a few data, but the thing that is the most interesting for me right now, for the first point that we're going to tackle, is how do they launch new collections. I'm going to take a look at their last email that they've been sending. And to do this, I'm going to actually look for emails featuring the word spring, just featuring the word spring. And here we go. We're going to take a look at first, we're going to take a look at the 2022 spring collection. Here we go, just to get a sense. And then we're going to take a look precisely at what they're doing for the 23 collection. So, all right, new arrivals, face collection. So, remind this one because we're going to see the same one for the 23 season, but pretty much the same thing. See, new arrivals for spring summer 2022. Shop the look. New arrivals for spring summer 2022. Pretty much the same subject line, but just 2 different pictures. And then after just announcing the launch of the new collection, I'll say just globally, just the launch and then new arrivals. What they're doing is that they're featuring specific ranges or products within the collection to the audience. So new arrivals, women 2022, new in, then the suits, the bomber jackets, and it continues on and on. Surreal prints. So right now we're into prints, not ranges. Fabrics, leather and shearling outerwear. Then another range, shoes, crochet, denim, another print, tie-dye. Then a look, runway look, dresses, blah, blah, blah. And it continues on. And what they're doing is that basically they're launching the new collection, announcing new arrivals, and then declining all the next emails about the collection featuring specific ranges, prints, looks, and products. All right. And it's basically pretty much the same thing that they're doing for the spring summer 2023 collection. So here you go. That was the email that they've sent for announcing the fashion show. So just the day before it happened. Then the day after, you have access to this email that actually shows you the show and looks. If we click on the page, we're going to see pretty much the same thing. You have access to the video of the show, and then all right, video of the show. As you can see, like that, it's a 10-minute video, and then you have access to the main looks. All right, okay. Then after they start new Acne Studio monogram, here you go. Can have a look at it just right here. So they're announcing their monogram bags as a limited early release, still based on the 2023 show. And then new arrival for spring summer 23. If you remember well, they've sent the exact same subject line for the 2022. Introducing spring summer 2023 collection, pretty much the same thing here. Um, and 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 yeah, so that was what I wanted to show for the launching of new collections. Basically, you start with announcing the fashion show, then the reveal, I'd say, and then introducing the collection, the monogram, as a limited release of a specific product, and then new arrivals. And then what they're going to do for the next of the 2023 collection is the same, announcing dresses, bags, denim, and announcing specific ranges of the collection. All right, that was it for that. Then I wanted to speak about how they're launching personalized product. For this, I'm gonna go here, and there are basically two or three emails related to this. So scarf personalization, denim personalization, and should be there another scarf personalization again. So looks like the scarf personalization is a new service that they've launched at the end of October 2022. Here you go, scarf personalization. You can see that here, but every month you have Acne Studio send an email about a product personalization, whether it's scarves, whether it's denim as well. All right. I do like, if I'm 100% honest here, actually, their landing page about personalization. See, let's go here. And all right. And here it doesn't work, which is weird. I'll try that again. Maybe it's this landing page. This one was the collection. And this one. All right. See, it's this animation that I like. It gives you the feeling of personalization just right away. I don't know why it's so slow though. All right. Anyway, all right. Third point was the new product and range. That's kind of easy. Just wanted to show you, yeah, when they're speaking about specific products, what are the emails looking like. So it's pretty easy. All right, taking those fives. So see, this one is about a scarf. It's described super simply in the subject line. Then you have a full picture, discover now, with a few variants, and that's all. And you're gonna see same thing here. It's a collection, Acne Studio scarves. You have an image, you have a button, you have the variants, and that's all. And I can do this all over again. Acne Studio occasion wear. You have an image, you have a button, you have some variants or some items in the collections in that case, and that's all. And it's pretty much the same thing. Seasonal preferred jackets. Okay, this side you do have a small GIF that is actually animating and showing you all the variants at once in the first part of the emails, which is actually interesting. Just gives you a higher email size than the others emails, but it's when they're doing this, they're not showing you the variants below, but it's saying an image, a CTA, and that's all. And this one, pointed ankle boots, that you can see here, you have an image, you have a button, you have some variants, and that's all. Simple. All right. Collaboration and capsule collections. There are three that I wanted to review quickly here. First one is, and it's actually the most interesting, it's the artists' collaborations. So we're going to start with Larry Stanton. Then, oh yeah, there's Kiro as well. All right, so Larry Stanton, here you go. You have an image showing the ambiance, I'd say, then a CTA, and then an explanation with an overview of the products of the limited edition capsule that they're launching. So they're doing this with Larry Stanton. They also show their political engagement in these kind of emails, because they do say that all the proceeds of the sales will go to an association. Pretty much the same thing for Kiro with us. Yeah, and we're looking at all the variants here as well. And on top of these collaboration email with that are actually just limited edition capsule collection, they're also choosing people for the being the face, and celebrities being the face of their campaign, which is here Rosalia for the winter 2022 collection. Okay, all right. And last thing that we wanted to review right now is actually how do they manage, I'd say, big marketing events. For instance, Christmas, because at the time that I'm recording this video, we're at the peak of holiday season. And there are two emails here that are interesting. The first one is this one, and then this one, which are basically gift guides from Acne Studio. So the first gift guide email, they've sent it November 8th, which is pretty early in the season, but still, it's interesting. So they're following the same email pattern that they had before. So what we have here is an email with a big image, then two CTS, gifts for her, gifts for him. We're going to open that and see what are the landing page looking like. And then a few examples and a few items from the selection as well. All right. And here it's the same thing. Perfect gifts to give and receive. All right. And looking at the content of the page. So that's for her. Yeah, those are gifts for her. And those are gifts for him. And there's just something important to notice here is that if you look at their emails, they're not giving you any particular useful information. They're just highlighting you that the gift guide exists and it's there, but that's all. For instance, in the emails, you don't have the basic information such as the cutoff or the delivery options that you might have if you want to be delivered at Christmas. At the same time, they only send gift guide email twice before Christmas. What it was November 8th and December 6th. That's all. But you do have those information on the website. See, for delivery by 24 December, blah, blah, blah. Which is helpful here, would be even more helpful here. Okay, all right. I hope that this video was helpful for you, that you've learned a lot of stuff about Acne Studios email marketing strategy. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, because we are reviewing brands and industries, e-commerce marketing strategies, best practices every week. Okay, all right. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.